Removing bounced emails from Mailchimp helps maintain your email list's health and improves delivery rates. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Audience. Click on the Audience tab in the main dashboard. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you want to clean up. View Reports. Click on Campaigns and select the campaign with bounced emails. Go to the Report section for detailed analytics. Identify bounced emails. In the report summary, click on Bounces to see a list of emails that bounced. There are two types of bounces: soft bounces and hard bounces. Focus on hard bounces for removal. Export bounced emails. Click Export to download the list of bounced emails for review. Remove bounced emails. Go back to the Audience tab and click Manage Contacts. Select View All Contacts. Use the Advanced Search or Segments feature to filter and display bounced emails. Filter by email marketing status and choose Bounced. Select all bounced emails from the list. Permanently delete. Click Actions and choose Permanently Delete to remove these emails from your audience. Confirm deletion. Confirm the deletion action to ensure these contacts are removed from your list.